Alright, welcome back. We are now on the second of 5 boxes from our 5-year break from boxbreaks.com. We are on the 2010 Panini Gridiron gear. It is 4 autograph or memorabilia cards per box. And first box, we got 2011 Threads. We had 1 autograph. So here we go again. Keep the checklist in case we have any redemptions. And good luck, everybody. Carson Palmer, Felix Jones, Sidney Rice, Roddy White, filler. Here's Brian Bulaga, the X, numbered 50 of 250. Keith Toston, Darrell Revis, Frank Gore. Ray Lewis, Aaron Rodgers, Eli Manning, Brandon Pettigrew, filler. Crash Course Tom Brady, Jason Taylor, numbered 112 of 250. Corey Wooten, Santana Moss, Malcolm Floyd. Kevin Walter, Marshawn Lynch, Reggie Wayne, Steve Smith, filler. Crash Course Peyton Manning, Mario Williams, that is not numbered. LeGarrette Blount, Chris Cooley, Rashard Mendenhall. Pierre Thomas, Miles Austin, Fred Taylor, Terrell Owens, filler. A rookie, the X, LeGarrette Blount, that is numbered 71 of 100. Tony Moyaki, Bo Scaife, Michael Vick. Or maybe we have our first hit, maybe. Let's see. Yep. So, move them back. Garrett Graham, Steven Jackson, Zach Miller, Chris Chambers, Jay Cutler, Matt Castle, Drew Brees, DeMarcus Ware, and our first hit of the box is, oh, this is really nice, going to the Jaguars, right? Or is that's Carolina Panthers, which was not purchased. Rookie orientation, Jimmy Clausen, Brandon LaFell, and Armonte Edwards. The Clausen is single colored, the LaFell is 3-color patch, and the Armonte Edwards is 3-color patch. And this is numbered 13 of 25. And you can see that without this camera stuttering. It's pretty nice. Chad Henne, Larry Fitzgerald, Clay Matthews. We got another hit here. Sean Lee, Matt Hasselbeck, Braylon Edwards, Steve Smith, Nate Burleson, and to the Bills, Lee Evans, a single color jersey, numbered 95 of 100. Single color. NFL Nation. Third pack, Percy Harvin, Michael Turner, Arian Foster, Lee Evans, filler. This is a Michael Turner X parallel, numbered 132 of 250. Donald Jones, Vince Young, Mike Wallace. Brandon Jacobs, Kyle Orton, Marcus Colston, Jason Witten, Brandon Merriweather, filler. Navarro Borman, Reggie Brown, LaShawn McCoy. Peyton Manning, Jonathan Stewart, Mike Sims Walker, Devin Hester, filler. Here is a Devin Hester Game Breakers, non-numbered. Antonio Brown, Mark Clayton, Sean Green. Chad Ochocinco, Brian Hartline, Beanie Wells, Ahmad Bradshaw, filler. Here's a ex-rookie parallel, Jacoby Ford for the Raiders, numbered 245 out of 250. Jimmy Graham, Vince Young, Mike Wallace. Got a nice one here. Carlos Dunlop, Reggie Brown, LaShawn McCoy, Noshawn Moreno, Devery Henderson, Muhammad Massaquoi, Brett Favre, Matt Ryan, and our hit here is a three jersey, rookie orientation for the Bucks, which was not purchased, with the Seahawks, which was not purchased, and the Titans, which is, let's see. And see, the Buccaneers were not purchased. Let me make sure the Seahawks were not purchased, and the Titans were actually purchased by Lola's Cards. So Lola's Cards is going to get this rookie orientation of the Bucks, the Seahawks, and the Titans. Aurelius Ben, Golden Tate, Damian Williams, numbered 201 of 250. Eddie Royal, Wes Welker, Cleveland Brown, Josh Cribbs, Bernard Berrien, Curtis Lofton, filler. Kalen Williams, Mark Clayton, Sean Green. Andre Johnson, Willis McGahee, Joseph Adai, Dwayne Jarrett, filler card. We have a parallel Bears. This is Devin Hester, X parallel, and it's numbered 157 of 250. Clay Harbor, Vernon Davis, Bruce Gradkowski. Jermichael Finley, T.J. Hushmanzada, Dallas Clark, D'Angelo Williams. There's a redemption here, a filler, Javier Arenas, Leon Washington, Louis Murphy. The redemption is a Signatures Gold, number 167. So let's take a look at the redemption list here. 167 is a rookie, and it is, if this goes by this, it is a number 167 says Chris Ivory. It's probably going to be impossible to see here, but it says card number 167 is Chris Ivory. So I'm not sure who that goes to. Let me just grab a pen real quick. Saints, thank you. And the Saints was Lola's Cards. That's Chris Ivory for the Saints. We're down to our last 4 packs. Maurice Jones-Drew, Joe Flacco, Owen Daniels, Ryan Fitzpatrick, base, a NFL Nation insert, Jay Cutler, Thaddeus Lewis, Darren Sproles, Nate Washington. Matthew Stafford, Robert Meacham, Brandon Lloyd, Tom Brady, filler, a X parallel, Jeremy Maclin, numbered 28 of 100. Fendi Onabun, Hines Ward, Kellen Winslow. Final 2 packs of our 2010. And so, Mercedes Lewis, Devin Mashado, oh my goodness, Aroma Shodu, Jamal Charles, Matt Forte, filler, a Fan Nation Cowboys of Jason Witten, that is numbered 57 of 250, Rusty Smith, Kevin Cobb, James Laurinaitis. And the last pack of the 2010. We got another hit. Dominique Franks, Mark Sanchez, Patrick Willis, Jerome Harrison, Adrian Peterson, Tim Hightower, Greg Jennings, Ray Rice, and the last hit is going to be Rams. It is, oh, this is really nice. I'm impressed with these. This is a really cool card. Rookie Gridiron Gems. Now it's Marty Gilliard, but it's one of those pullouts with a pull-out jersey, and you can see that it's signed on the jersey piece that slides out. And that is actually numbered 165 of 173 to the Rams, which was another one of our unpurchased teams. So we'll do a real quick. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I just picked up a off of eBay. I picked up a Joe Flacco gems like that for $30. So we'll go back through the big hits. There's the Marty Gilliard slide out autograph card. We got the insert. We got a Chris Ivory redemption for the Saints. We got a rookie orientation triple of Aurelius Ben, Golden Tate, and Damian Williams. There is a one-color jersey of Lee Evans. Rookie orientation for the Panthers, Clausen, LaFell, and Edwards. And that is the second box, and we will be right back with box number 3.